Meaning of grayscale.
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 Grayscale. Grayscale refers to a type of digital image or display that uses shades of gray to represent the different intensities of light. This means that instead of using colors to create an image, grayscale images use only black, white, and shades of gray. The result is a monochromatic version of the original image that appears to be made up of various levels of brightness. Grayscale images are often used in photography, design, and printing applications. They can also be used to create a vintage or retro look in artwork and graphics.